fix PayPal payment decline. So to fix a declined PayPal payment, the first thing what you can do is update the card info. Just check the expiration date and CVV code in your PayPal wallet. Also make sure that your address matches your bank statement down to exact abbreviations. Now look for a confirm card link next to your payment method and enter the 4-digit code from your bank. You can also verify your email address, phone number and identity. Now to fix app and network issues, what you can do is, if you're on an Android device, go to your phone settings, find PayPal, clear cache and data, then restart the app. Now the next what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and then turn off public Wi-Fi or a VPN and use mobile data to prevent security blocks. Now the next what you can do is on your iOS device, because there is no clear cache button, so go to settings, then go to general. Now tap iPhone storage. Now find PayPal from the list or tap on the search bar at the bottom, then search for PayPal, then tap upload app. Now tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it or just go back to your app store, find the PayPal app and then reinstall it from there. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.